Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can activate OneDrive on Windows 11. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your file explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go to the source menu and then just type it right here. Then once you find it, go ahead and click on open. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. As you can see guys, right here, you're going to find the home section, gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find all of the options related to it. Here you can copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find view online, settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. So go ahead and click on settings, and then this will take you to this window right here. Here you're going to find sync and backup, accounts, notifications, and lastly about. First of all, click on account, and then make sure you click on link this PC. And then once you do that, go to sync and backup. And then right here, go to this option right here, backup my important PC folders to OneDrive. Backup your desktop, documents, and pictures folder to OneDrive so they're protected and available on other devices. Click on Manage Backup. And then here, as you can see, guys, go ahead and enable backup for the options that you want. You can enable backup for documents, pictures, desktop, music, and lastly, video. And then once you finish, click on Save Changes, and then you're good to go. You can also enable backup for these options, saving photos and videos from devices, and also saving screenshots you capture to OneDrive. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.